description box, sa description, lahat. Panood-load lang kayo dito sa YouTube, but after 2 months, natutunan niyo yung mga actual binding techniques that we are using as we create our own paper products na pwede mong i-bent at pagkakitaan habang nasa bahay ka. O diba, hindi mo na kailangang mamili between providing for your family and being an intentional parent because pwede naman silang magsama like what I've always said, no? And ngayon, nasa pang-8 week na tayo and I'm sure excited kayong ma-discover yung panibagong binding technique na ituturo ko this week. And what I love about this binding technique is bukod sa super cute niya, no? Because I'm a planner lover, no? Before, I love yung happy planner and gusto ko talaga yung mga disc, no, na ginagamit for those planners kasi it's not the usual planners na mabibili sa market, no. So this one is mga bilog-bilog siya, tapos colorful, and sabi ko parang someday I want to create my own planner na ganito yung binding technique. And it happened naman. So ngayon, I'm selling yung mga ganitong klaseng planner na ganito ang binding technique. So ang tawag dito is the disc binding technique at yan ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayong linggong ito. At hindi na natin patatagilin dahil alam ko excited na kayo. But please, finish the video because again, meron tayong surprise at the end of the video. So, excited ka na ba? Let's go! We are now on the 8th binding technique. So, this is the second to the last. Ayan, okay. So, so far, I hope madami na kayong natutunan, no, sa ating mga binding techniques na pinag-usapan. And for our 8th binding technique, we will be using the multi-cinch. So, we have a disc binding machine, ha? Okay, so, ibang brand, okay, hindi cinch. And we also have the We Are Memory Keepers na brand. So, what I like about the multi-cinch is it's multi. I mean, pwede kang gumamit ng iba pang holes na gusto mo. So, yung cartridge niya is napapalitan. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo how. But, yung cartridge na gagawin natin is the disc. Okay? So, before, okay, I used to love yung happy, is that happy planner ba? Na planner because of the binding technique na ginamit nila. So, ang tagal kong hinanap kung paano ginagawa yung ganon kasi parang wala siya sa market, no? Ang tagal kong naghahanap kung saan nabibili yung binding equipment na yon hanggang sa nakita ko na this specific brand, which is the We Are Memory Keepers, ay naglabas ng ganitong binding equipment. So, sobrang excited akong i-try. So, sinubukan ko siya and natuwa talaga ako sa output niya. So, ang syala talaga. So, nung nagawa ko na yung output ko, feeling ko I've created my own happy planner. Ayan. So, ang nagustuhan ko sa binding technique na to is refillable yung mga pages. So, pwede mo siya itanggal kabit. Gusto mo magdagdag, gusto mo magbawas, pwedeng-pwede. Okay, so, medyo may kamahalan lang siya ng konti. I'm not sure with other brands. I'm sure hindi lang ito yung price na meron. Okay, but again, kung halimbawa ikaw ay may budget na o kumita ka na sa iyong sinisimulan, pwede ka nang mag-upgrade if you like this binding technique. So, ano yung mga products na pwede mong gawin dito? Of course, pwede ka din mag-create ng journal, ng notebooks, ng book, okay, using this binding technique. So, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin using this. And ang sarap mag-design ng mga covers, no? Kasi may mga disc na pwede mong piliin, mga colorful disc that you can choose for this binding technique. So, alam ko excited kayo makita ko anong itsura ng binding technique na to. So, let's go. Simulan na natin ang 8th binding technique.
Before we continue to our actual tutorial and actual workshop, again, if you are this mom na you want to jumpstart your kumikita kabuhayan habang nasa bahay, I am inviting you to join our DIY Premium community, because inside our community, hindi mo lang matututunan yung mga premium binding techniques like this, no? Ituturo din namin sa inyo how you can set up your business, how you can operate and automate and scale your business to the next level. So, yung lahat ng mga kailangan nyo in your mompreneur journey ay ituturo namin yan inside the community. At bukod pa doon, you'll be having thousands of illustrations that you can sell right away. Kahit wala ka pang printer, pwede mo na agad siyang pagkakitaan kasi you can sell in digital format. So, ibenta mo lang siya sa social media platforms mo or sa iba pang mga e-commerce site, pwedeng-pwede. At bukod pa dyan, syempre, surrounded ka ng mga positive influences, mga moms like me, na meron kumikita kabuhayan habang nasa bahay. And it's good to be surrounded with the right people to bring out the best in you, to push you to your limit para naman talagang ma-bring out yung best sa inyo. No? So, I'm telling you, inside the community, sobrang supportive ng mga moms inside, and talagang madami kang inspiration na makukuha, and dun pa lang sobrang priceless na. So, the value that you are actually getting inside the premium community ay hindi kayang bilhin ng kahit magkano. But yes, you can avail our DIY Premium membership from 1,500 pesos. Ma-avail mo na lang siya for only 750 pesos. And imagine yung potential ng business that you can start habang nag-aalaga ka ng mga anak mo. So I'm telling you, this is really possible because we have so many moms in our community na nag-start ng wala, zero capital, as in zero knowledge, but now they have a registered business and they are expanding, they are hiring team members, and they are really growing as a mompreneur. So, if you want to experience that, I'm telling you, take this opportunity to join our DIY Premium membership. So, let's continue yung ating disc binding technique.
I love this binding technique. Ayan, kasi I've been eyeing this, no, since avail ako ng Happy Planner. Gusto ko yung disc nila. So, ang tagal kong hinanap nun. And then, I stumbled upon this, the cinch. Okay, but this one is a multi-cinch. Meron siyang iba't ibang cartridge. May circle, may band, may Coptic, may disc. Ito yung gagamitin natin mamaya. And we also have the heart. Meron pang yung color yellow, yung spiral, pero out of stock siya. Ayan. So, this is, called multi-cinch because madami nga siyang binding options, no? So, pero perfect to for small projects. Ayan. So, meron tayong regular cinch. Ito, mas maliit pa siya sa cinch. Kaya ang advice ko is mas smaller project for this one. So, for the binding naman, ang cute ng mga disc kasi ang dami niyang sizes and ang dami niyang colors, no? So, katulad dito, it comes in black, in gold. Ayan. So, meron pang ibang colors, yung rainbow colors. Ayan. So, metallic finish, meron ding pastel color. Ayan. So, meron dalawang boxes talaga yung disc na yung lagayan ko ng disc kasi ang sarap i-collect ng mga colors. Ayan, we have white. Tapos, we also have ibang colors pa. Like, this one, this is silver. Mas malaki siya ng konti sa white. And we also have rose gold. Ayan, this is one of my favorite colors. Rose gold and many more. Ayan, may mga small, multicolored. So, madami kang options. Even the designs, madami. So, we will be using a pre-cut paper again. Ayan. So, mas preferred natin yung pre-cut para hindi na tayo cut ng cut. Especially wala kayong rib cutter. And the cold laminating film. And also, we have a photo paper for the cover. This is 220 GSM. You can go beyond, basta wag lang lower, 220. And also a scoring tool slash a paper trimmer. Okay? So, let's start. Let's print our design. So, ganito ang format natin if you want to create a A5 notebook. So, stapled kapag hindi mo na ikakat yung gitna, and A5 notebook na hindi stapled kapag naman ayaw mong hiwain sa gitna. Ayan, so making sure that all our settings are good. So by the way, again, this illustration is free to use. Ayan, you have the rights to sell. I use the Canon G3020, no, para it's borderless. So nakita nyo naman wala ng border yung ating printout. So ngayon, we will apply our cold laminating film. So pwede rin namang hot, pero I prefer itong cold laminating film. So we have different kinds, like what I've said sa other video natin. We have different kinds of laminating film, no. Magkakaiba yung finish. May leather, merong glossy, merong glittery, may holographic, may canvas and all. Ayan. So depende yan sa kung anong gusto mong feel ng iyong cover. So but for this one, we are using a matte finish. Okay, so sa pag-applying ng cold laminating film, you don't need to peel the whole thing, no? So, maliit lang muna. Maikabit mo lang siya dun sa pinaka-top ng iyong paper. Okay? And then, I'll be teaching you a technique, no? Para walang bubbles. Noon, kamay lang ang gamit ko. But now, you can use a metal ruler or kahit anong ruler na mabigat. Ayan. So, ipupush mo lang yung ruler sa side hanggang sa matanggal yung back cover natin. And then, you will use a scraper or a squeaky para ilapat ng mabuti yung ating film. Ayan. You can use mga old cards, like what I've said, mga card ni Aling Puring o mga credit card na ayaw nyo nang gamitin. Ayan. So, ayan, that's our cover. Okay, so you don't need to put cold laminating film sa back, but if you want naman, pwede rin. Okay? So, usually pag stapled, nilalagyan din yung back kasi bumubuka kapag hindi. Ayan, okay? So, but before natin i-trim ang ating cover, we will cut muna yung mga excess na film. Okay? So, I'm using I have a specific scissor for cutting yung mga excess na film kasi sticky. So I don't like na lahat ng scissors ko ay sticky. Okay? So maganda if you have a designated gunting para sa pag-trim ng excess na photo top because it's super sticky. Okay? So kakat lang natin yan, yung gilid. Madali lang naman siya ikat kasi parang plastic-like siya. So, parang i-glide mo lang yung gunting. Okay? And then, at saka natin ikakat sa middle yung ating design using this We Are Memory Keepers, the Works All-in-One tool. Okay? So, yeah, we have sa layout natin, nakikita natin kung nasan yung gitna. So, we will, yun yung guide natin sa pag-cut. Yan. So, na-cut na natin. That's it. So, you can use yung mga hindi branded na paper trimmer. There's so many in the market. May tigwa 100 something lang. Okay, so here's the multi-cinch. Medyo may kamahalan to. Nasa around 8 to 9,000. Ano? Tapos, bibilin mo pa separately yung mga cartridge. Pero may kasama, may included ng dalawang cartridge. So, this one is the disc. Ipapasok mo lang siya sa loob like that. Then, that's it. Yun na yun. Walang kahirap-hirap na installation. Diba? So, if you are creating mga small projects, this is perfect for you. Meron din tayong guides dyan. Okay, ayan o. So, dun mismo sa cartridge, may mga paper sizes dyan. So, kung ano yung size ng paper mo, dun mo ilalagay yung iyong guide. So, for this one, it's A5. So, ilalagay natin siya sa letter F. Dahil yun daw, dun daw dapat nakalagay yung ating guide. So, ilalagay mo siya dyan. Okay? Then, yan yung stand natin. Okay, so, unahin natin yung covers natin. So, super dali lang. Papasok mo lang sa loob and then, pack. Ayan. That's the disc. That's the mushroom na butas, oh. So, babaliktarin mo lang. Ito yung style ko, ha. Yung iba-ibang style din ang ginagamit nila sa A5. Ako, ganung style yung ginagamit ko. Binabaliktad ko lang. So, that's our cover. And the other one naman, yung back cover, ipapunch din natin yan. Okay. So, since maliit lang siya, medyo matagal. Pag malaki yung pages mo, like if you're using A4, yan, medyo matatagalan ka ng konti. Ayan. Wala pa ako nakikitang malaking machine ng disk eh. Ayan. So, meron din tayong disk na ano ha. Ayan, this is our sample. This is our sample. Yan, we have a mini cinch, no? A mini cinch na disk. Okay, so ganun lang ka-easy, tanggalin. Look ha, uulitin ko. Yan. So, ipipil mo lang siya at pwede mo siyang ikabit ulit. Okay, so ang tanong, paano naman siya kinakabit? Ayan lang, ipapasok mo lang siya dyan. Isisinip-sinip mo lang siya dyan sa disk. Ayan. Okay, super easy. So, yung back naman. Ayan. So neat. The back naman, ilalagay din natin dyan. So, i-press mo lang yung gitna. Ayan, para subinit siya dun sa disk. Ano lang, kahirap-hirap. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin mo sa paper. Ipapunch mo lang siya using the multi-cinch. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Tapos na siya agad. O, diba? Sobrang easy. So, ayan. Maganda sa ganitong klase ng binding technique, no? Refillable yung pages niya. So, kung may gusto kang idagdag, may gusto kang ibawas and all, pwede nang hindi masisira yung buong notebook, no? Hindi mo kailangang sirain yung ginamit mong pang-bind kasi it's refillable. Pwede mo ding palit-palitan yung kulay ng iyong disk. Ayan. So, nice! Okay? So, abangan ko ang inyong output using this binding technique. Try nyo na!
Sobrang cute ng output, diba? So, very unique din because it's refillable. Imagine, kapag naubos na yung papers mo, pwede mo siyang refillan ng panibagong papers lang. So, hindi mo na kailangang mag-bind ulit and all. So, yun yung unique sa binding technique na ito. And alam nyo ba na we have mga local shops kasi yung pinakita ko kanina na mini cinch is galing yung sa ibang bansa. But right now, we have mga local shops na nagbibenta ng disc binding machine. So, we have si Be Happy, of course, our brand partner. Pwede kong ilagay sa baba yung link ng kanilang Shopee account. We also have si PF Crafts na nagbibenta nito. Yun lang yung dalawang alam ko na nagbibenta ng disc binding machine. So, ang maganda doon is medyo full length na yung disc binding machine na to, and I'm telling you, sobrang madami mo na rin magagawang product with this binding equipment. And again, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, of course, meron tayong good news, no? So, naggumawa ulit ako ng digital product na pwede mo pag-practicean at pwede mo pagkakitaan using this binding technique. Lahat ng kailangan mo ay ilalagay ko lang dito sa description box, pati na rin yung freebie template that you can use pang-practice and that you can sell din para mapagkakitaan mo. So, I hope marami kang natutunan today sa maiksing time ng workshop na to, and sobrang excited akong makita ka ulit sa susunod na linggo as I teach you yung last binding technique. Ito yung paborito ko dahil ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. So, yan naman ang ating pag-aaralan on our 9th week next week. So, I'll see you mga Bibong Pinay! Bye!